This is where I kept my compost till now, but have to make a bigger compost bin. So for that I will use some pallets, and I will destroy this outside toilet, which hasn't been used in like 10 years or something. So useful materials like iron and iron bars, but I will reuse. Well, so far it was just a home for wasps. Igen, arra. It turned out that the original creators dig down a barrel to take a shit in. I can set up the compost bin here. Be careful with the electric fence. I made from an old sofa and my old front door. I'm pretty sure these guys are not necessarily under my carrots and stuff, so take them out. Unhealthy for your plants. Well, I screwed it in some places, but it's still not secure. It's just holding it together so I can measure out the floor. Now, since it's filling up the space there, I will take off the hinges here and put it on this side. Basically everything I needed. It has a floor, it has 4 walls, and has airflow for the future compost. I'm only thinking about right now that I made a terrible mistake by the whole concept, because as you can see I have electric wires here, so yeah, His Majesty could not escape. But right now I build a structure in the corner of the yard, and I guess I have to put some electric wires all around it before the dog even gets the idea that he can get out here. Last year, to protect my grapes, I extended the electric wire from here. I already have the isolators, which I manufactured from PVC. This pole was the corner anyway. We will reuse the last piece what we left behind next to the grapes, and the structure is ready, and I will put the wire around it. What I generally use is this simple structure. It's 10 times cheaper than if you would buy cable connecting thing from an electric fence store, and does the same. I get some of the wire and I use this to get the wire touching each other. It will make a secure connection without the ticking noise. I will just hold the nut. Wait. I guess it's secure. Now I can hook it on the thing itself. It should be steady like this. I made these cuttings on the PVC, so it's easier to get the wire on it. What you don't want to do when you are making an electric fence is that you make loops. You never make loops. This is a loop now, if it's turning on, because the wire goes around and comes back, and this is a loop, and later I will secure it with a zip tie or something so it cannot move anywhere. This is a rubber under it. So I don't have to connect the wire here now, because it will be here. It's perfectly enough. And I will do this on the other side too. I just tie it around like 3 or 4 times and connection will be good, and the wires will touching and not making any ticking noises. I will not cut this because later maybe I will need it elsewhere, so I tie it down. And it's a weather forecasting wire now, because if it's ticking, that means we have rain. Okay, already got so well our Fallout style electrified compost bin is kind of ready. So if I turn back the electric fence, it will tick nicely. So our compost bin is electrified right now. I wouldn't dare touch it right now, and it doesn't make any ticking noise either, so it's nice.